Welcome everyone. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to start graphic design on your phone. So you'll be needing an app called Pixel App. You can get it on Google Play and or you can download it from Chrome. So after installing Pixel App, do what to open it and you will have an interface like this. This is a project I'm currently working on. But if I want to take it away, so let me just save this as a project. So to save your project, you click on the top button, you see save as project, then you select and you save. So I'm going to save this as okay. So to create a new project, all you need to do is to click on default and then you get this and you are given this interface, and this is your background page. This is your text layout where you have various functions. You have edit, copy, bring to front, bring to back. Basically, these are the tools you'll be needing for your text. And then over here you have import option, draw option, shape, bezier, arrow, and then you have color, transparent. So we're going into this in details later. So let's start with the text. Now if I want to edit this text, the first thing I will have to do is to, you can do it two ways. You can double tap on it or you could click on edit here. So you would have something like this. You can just change it to graphic design class. What's that? What's that intonation there? Graphic design class. Okay. So yeah. Now in graphic design, there are many principles. To this video, we assigned a help guide on how to understand the basic principles of graphic design. So, but bearing that in mind, the first thing I would love us to do is to change our background. So this background, there's no contrast. That is, my subject is not different from the background. It is not, there's no tangible difference between them. So to create that, you would need to create a shape or you need to bring in something. So to check your layers, Pixel Lab works with layers. So to check your layers, the very first thing you have to do is to click on this stack option at the right hand side. You would see this right here, graphic design class. This is your recent layer. So that is that on that. Now for me to change the background, for you to bring in any shape, you click on this next layer. The layer highlighted blue is the one in focus. So for this one, you can see that this one is highlighted blue. That means it's in focus. So I'm going to select a shape here. I'm going to select a square and I'm just going to drag that on my screen till it is over the whole surface, and I'm going to click on the tick option and there you go. Now you can't see anything again because, as I said earlier, Pixel Lab works with layers. So if you click on this tag again, you would see a layer on top of our graphic design class. No worries, let's continue. So the next thing you have to do is to click on this new layer and then you would see a list of options. You see all this: edit, delete, crop, copy to front to back, position, do not fear. Now what we need to do, or what we want to do rather, is that we want to change the color first and change it to a darker tone. So I would love to go with black for now. Okay, so after selecting the color, click on the tick button and there you go. Now the problem is, how do you bring this to back? Like, how do you bring it behind this? Two ways. The first way is to click on this and then click on to back and there you go, solved. Now another way to do this is to, okay, oh sorry, I should have informed you. Pixel Lab undo is quite different from other. Okay, now to do it, the second way to do it is by holding your stack here at the top left hand corner. You would hold it carefully. You have to do it meticulously to get the right result. So you hold it, and after holding it, you see something like this. Then you drag it up. Then it comes to the front. And then you hold it again. You hold it again. There are some properties that do not. You could actually just make it easier by selecting this one to back. So there you go. So that's our first function on Pixel Lab. Now the next thing you want to do is probably change the font. Okay, maybe you don't like this font and you want a bigger font. A good thing you can do is to click on this option, go to your font, and that's the A highlighted button, and then just swipe through until you see fonts. Then click on that option. Next thing you would see is fonts, my fonts, recent fonts. So you just head over to my fonts and select a friendly font, anyone you want, you can select. Let's go with this, and there you go. So I have something like this. So graphic design class, this is what I have. Now in Pixel Lab, there are many functions. There are functions to align your text to your background, and one of those functions is can be seen in alignment. After you've selected or changed your font, you'll be, or anytime you select your text rather, you'll be given a list of options. Now in these options you find an option called relative position. This is, as it means, the position of your text relative to your background. So you want to click on this, and then you would see six options. These are very simple, they are not complex. The first one means align it to the left hand side. The middle one means align to the center. The third means align to the right hand side. The fourth means align to the top left hand side. The second one means align to the middle. And then the sixth one means align to the bottom part. So now the first thing I want to do is I want to align it to the middle. So I'll just click on this, and you can see that there's a shift in my text. So this is how to align. This is very useful when you are doing some complex stuff, or you want to have a better output. So the next thing you want to do is to learn how to use your grids. You toggle on your grids by clicking on the grid option at the top, and there you have it. So these are your grids. Now these are useful for complex projects, but we'll be going to that in the next video. I hope you learned something new. Okay, before we go, let's do something again. So let me impute a picture. So if for example you want to bring a picture into your design, how do you do that? Okay, so the first thing you do is to make sure all your layers, none of your layers is selected, and then after doing that, you see this option imports, and then you click on it, and then after clicking on it, you just import, select the picture onto import and click on done, and there you go. So you have a picture in your project. So the next thing you can do also is to bring this to back. Oops, that brought it to the list part. So that was what I was saying earlier, that there are some functions that do not apply. So I would rather do it this way, by holding it and then dragging it backwards, and there you go. So you have something like this, rather, and then again I want to unlock my layers. I lock them so that they won't be selected. I just want to lock this one, and then okay, yeah. And then for my alignment again, you just need to go to this place, align, and click here. So there you go, graphic design class. And again, as I said earlier, I want to align this. So I click on this, and then you just go to relative position, align to middle, align here. So there you go. This is our first design project on Pixel App. So do well to like and follow for more, and also do well to check in for more videos. I'll see you in the next one.